All of you, good evening, students. Today, our class is for the first semester, first year, first semester, grammar tenses. Grammar tenses. In the tenses, we are previous class already discussed about the present tense. In the present tense, we are discussed simple present tense, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous. In the same way, next tense after the present tense, next tense is the past tense. In the past tense also divided into four kinds: simple past tense, past continuous, past perfect, past perfect continuous. These are the four tenses. Past tense means what is the action already completed in previous days. Do you know the actions are present, past, previous? Present means now it is the present. Now it is a present. What is now? And what is past? What is past means what is the previous? In the previous means previous day, previous month, previous year, previous decade, previous 2 decades, like that, which is the action completed, that is the past tense. In the past tense also we are divided four kinds, that is the simple past tense, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Simple past. Now in the simple past tense, first one is the simple past. It is used to express an action which completed in the past. It is used to express an action which completed in the past. Structure: subject plus V2 plus object. The simple past tense structure is subject plus V2 plus object. And clue words are yesterday, last night, last week, ago, last month, in the past, in those days, in 2016, in 2019, etc. That actions are coming in the simple past tense. You see the examples. Here is I show you a picture. Simple present tense definition and simple present tense example sentences. Here is the Ramana dash go Hyderabad last night. He dash see the cinema yesterday. She dash passed the BA last year. She dash passed the BA last year. He dash buy a car last month. We dash get independence in 1947. We means here Indians get independence in 1947. Okay, these are the example sentences. You see and you understand. What are the completed actions are coming in the past tense? In the simple present tense, to express an action which completed in the past, what are the actions are completed in the past, or we are said simple past tense. Simple past tense. Here example, Ramana dash go to Hyderabad last night. What is the structure? Subject plus V2 plus object. The simple past tense structure is subject plus V2 plus object. Ramana dash, Ramana is the subject, go is the verb, last night is the object. Ramana dash, what is the verb form? Go is the first form. What is the verb form second? Went. Ramana went to Hyderabad last night. Ramana went to Hyderabad last night. He dash see the cinema yesterday. He see the first sentence. He is the verb 1. And what is the verb 2? See, saw, seen. See, saw, seen. Saw is the second verb. He saw the cinema yesterday. All are complete actions in the past. And she dash passed the BA last year. She passed the BA last year. We are talking with others. But as a past event, the passing, she completed her BA is, passed her BA is in the past. That's why she passed the BA last year. He dash buy a car last month. I bought a car in last month. Someone told to others. He dash bought a car last month. The Indians dash get independence in 1947. The Indians got independence in 1947. Indians got independence in 1947. Okay, this is the simple past tense structure. Simple past tense. Total, how it is the main, how it is the sentence formation, and what are the clue words, and what is the simple past tense. You are already understood. You are already understood. Now we will go for the next tense. We will go for the next tense. And in this way you have to prepare yourself for the writing of the examples. How much or how many more examples you are practiced, the tense you learn very easily. The tense you are understood very perfect. That is the main basic idea to learn the English very easy to. And what is the next tense? In the past tense, simple past is the first one. Next, past continuous. Past continuous. We are already discussed in the previous class. Continuous means the action is going on. The action is going on. Okay, in the same way, past continuous, how it is the action is going on. Okay, you see here, it is used to an action which begins in the past and going on sometime in the past. Going on sometime in the past. It begins in the past and going on sometime in the past. That is the past continuous tense. Clue words while, when, as, then, etc. While, when, as, then, etc. And what is the structure? Subject plus was, were plus V1 plus inform plus object. Subject plus was or were plus V1 plus inform plus object. Okay, in the past tense, when we are using the simple past continuous, it is used to the combination of tenses, combination of tense. But unfortunately we are did not use the as a single one, that is the simple past continuous, that is the past continuous. Past continuous used the with combination of a two tenses. First one is the past continuous and second one is the simple past. When we are using the simple past continuous, this tense is used with a combination of two tenses. First one is the past continuous and second one is the simple past. Second one is the simple past. Here you see the more examples. Here you see the more examples. How it is the past continuous tense. Example, when I was reaching the station, the train went. When I am reaching the railway station, the train went. The train went out. You see here one of the example for the past continuous. She dash washed the dishes while the telephone rang. While the telephone rang. She dash washed the dishes while the telephone rang. When I crossed the road, I saw an accident. We dash watching TV. The lights went out. Okay, you see here, she dash washed the dishes while the telephone rang. She was washing the dishes. While the telephone rang. Here you see two actions are in the simultaneously completed in the past. When she was washing the dishes, on the time the telephone rang out. The telephone rang. Ring, rang, rung. Okay. The past continuous structure is subject plus was or were plus V1 plus inform plus object. That's why, okay, when the subject is in third person singular, we will use the was in the past tense. We are using the was in the past tense. When the subject is plural, we use the were. We use the W or were, the form of a helping verb in the past continuous tense. In the third example, we were watching TV. The lights went out. When we were watching TV, the lights went out. Okay, the teacher dash teaching an English when I went to the college. When the teacher was teaching English class, I went to the college. That is the formation of a sentence, and that is the combination of a two tenses. First one is the past continuous, second one is the simple past. This is the tense for the very, very important for the all competitive purpose and for the other class grammar also, for other the class examinations also. It's a very, very important for the examinations. Okay. Next, what is the other What is the next tense? Past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. Past perfect tense means, perfect means it's a completed. It's a completed. You see here, past perfect tense to express an action which is completed at a certain time in the past. At a certain time in the past. In the past, which action is completed in a certain time, that action come in the past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. Clue words after, when, as soon as, until, before, already. Clue words after, when, as soon as, until, before, already. Okay, they are same. Past perfect tense also. This is the common using of the combination of two tenses. It is used with a combination of two tenses. First one is the past perfect and second one is the simple past. First one is the past perfect and second one is the simple past tense. You see the examples. You see the examples. Okay, you see the special note. It is used with a past perfect tense, used with a combination of two tenses. First one is the past perfect and second one is the simple past. Second one is the simple past. Okay, example, when dash. Okay, for the simple past tense structure, subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Subject plus had plus V3 plus object is the past perfect tense structure. Past perfect tense structure is subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Clue words after, when, as soon as, until, before, already. You see the example. This tense, simple past tense is simple. Sorry, the past tense, past perfect tense is used for the combination of two tenses. First one is the past perfect and second one is the simple past. First one is the past perfect and second one is the simple past. Example, when I dash go to the railway station, the train left out. The train left. When I dash, what is the structure? Subject plus had plus V3 plus object. When I had gone to the railway station, the train left. The train left. He dash work as a pilot before he entered the politics. Before he entered the politics. He had worked as a pilot. He had worked as a pilot before he entered the politics. The minister had finished his speech before we reached there. Before we reached there. She had already left when I went to home. She had already went when I went to home. She had already left when I went to home. The train dash leave before I reached the railway station. The train had left before I reached the railway station. Before I reached the railway station. Okay, that is the past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. Next, what is the next tense? Past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense. It is used to talk about an action that begins in the past and continues up to some point of time in the past. It is used to talk about an action that begins in the past and continues up to some point of time in the past. అంటే గతంలో ఒక పని చాలా కాలం జరుగుతూనే ఉన్నదనే విషయాన్ని ఈ టెన్స్లో తెలియజేస్తాము. సబ్జెక్ట్, clue words what, who, which, where, when, whose, how. Okay, structure subject plus had plus been plus v1 plus ing form plus object. Subject plus had plus been plus v1 plus ing form plus object. Subject plus had plus been plus v1 plus ing form plus object. You see here examples in the notes or in our notebook. Vishnu had been learning a lesson for 1 hour. For 1 hour. Vishnu had been learning a lesson for 1 hour when he is in 7th class. He is in 7th class. He is in 7th class. She had been washing clothes for 2 hours when she in the house. When she in the house yesterday. I had been swimming at the Godavari for half an hour. For half an hour. I had been swimming at the Godavari for half an hour. For half an hour. These are the examples for the past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense. But this tense is always used in the various examinations. Past perfect tense also, past perfect continuous tense also. Past perfect continuous tense. Okay, now in the same way next tense also we will discuss in the next class, but we have to prepare thoroughly what are the examples and what are the structures. You have to prepare for the examination purpose. You have to prepare for the examination purpose as well as the for the future purpose also. As well as the future purpose also you have to prepare, and you have to continue your preparation for the a special topic in the tenses. It's a special topic for the tenses. Okay, in the second tense, what is the second tense? Past tense. In the second tense is past tense. Okay, in the past tense, how many tenses are there? 4 tenses. Simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Simple past perfect, past perfect continuous. Okay, what are the structure of a simple past tense? Structure subject plus V2 plus object. Subject plus verb 2 plus object. Raju went to college yesterday. Raju went to college yesterday. Ravi completed his work previous night. Ravi completed his work previous night. In the previous night. Rashekar bought a new cell phone in the last month. Rashekar bought a new cell phone in the last month. That's why we used the subject plus V2 plus object. In the same way, past continuous. Past continuous means the action is started in the past and going on sometime in the past. Going on sometime in the past. The clue words are while, when, as, then, etc. But the past continuous tense is used of the two combination of tenses. Two combination of tenses, that is the past continuous and simple past tense. Past continuous and a simple past tense. Okay. Okay, now we are in the past continuous here. Okay, subject plus was, were plus V1 plus infirm plus object. The action started in the past and going on sometime in the past is a past continuous. The structure is subject plus was, were, was, are, were plus V1 plus infirm plus object. Okay, when I was crossing the road, I saw an accident. When I was crossing the road, I saw an accident. We were watching movie The Power Of. The Power Of. When we were watching the movie The Power Of. When the teacher was teaching an English class, when the teacher was teaching an English class, I went to in the class. I went to the class. I went to the class. Here is the helping verbs was and were. Was is the used for singular, third person singulars. Was is used for the third person singulars and were is used for the all plural forms. All plural forms. Okay, in the continuation, what is the next? Past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. To express an action which is completed at a certain time in the past. To express an action which is completed at a certain time in the past. At a certain time in the past. Structure subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Clue words after, when, as soon as, until, before, already. Clue words after, when, as soon as, until, before, already. Okay, same. Past perfect tense also used the combination of two tenses. First one is the past perfect and second one is the simple past tense. First one is the when we used the past perfect tense used of the combination of two tenses. First one is the past perfect and second one is the simple past. Structure subject plus had plus v3 plus object, subject plus had plus v3 plus object. When I dash go to the railway station, the train left out. The train left out. When I had gone to the railway station, the train left out. The minister had finished his speech when we reached the hall. The minister had finished his speech when we were reached the meeting hall. The train had left. The train had left before I reached the station. Before I reached the station. Before I reached the station. And the next tense is the past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense. It is used to talk about an action that begins in the past and continues up to some point of time in the past. It is used to talk about an action that begins in the past and continues up to some point of time in the past. Clue words: what, who, which, where, when, whose, how. Structure: subject plus had plus been plus inform plus subject. Subject plus had plus v1 plus inform plus object. Raju had been preparing a lesson. Raju had been preparing a lesson for 2 years. For 2 years in the 2018. Shashi had been washing clothes for 2 hours in last month. Shashi had been washing clothes for 2 hours in last month. In this way, you have to prepare the more examples for the every tense for the implementation of a good result, for the implementation of a good practicing for the learner as a learner of the English. As a learner of the English. That is the very, very important when we completed our grammar, then you have to write a more examples to the structures. What are the structures are there? Every structure you have to maintain minimum 10 to 20 examples for the every tense. In our examination pattern, they are asked the tenses for the 10 marks. But which tenses are there stressed, we don't know actually. But we want to prepare the all 12 types of tenses for the every action. Okay, in the same way, we are already discussed the present tense and past tense. And a brief touching of the tenses, you have to listen again and again. How many times you are listened the tenses, but how many examples are you have to practice yourself, then you have to get the good marks in the grammar. You have to get the good marks in the grammar. In the present tense, simple present tense, present continuous, past present perfect continuous tense. In the same way, past tense also 4 kinds: simple past tense, simple past tense, past continuous, past perfect, continuous tense. Simple past, past continuous, past perfect, continuous tense. What is the structure of simple past tense? Subject plus V2 plus object. Subject plus V2 plus object. And past continuous, for the past continuous structure, subject plus was or were plus V1 plus inform plus object. Subject plus was or were plus V1 plus inform plus object. What is the past perfect? Subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Subject plus had plus V3 plus object. What is the past perfect continuous tense? Subject plus had plus been plus inform plus object. Subject plus had plus been plus inform plus object. Subject plus had plus been plus inform plus object. Those are the past tense. These are the past tenses. But what are the remaining future tense is there? Future tense will continue the next class. Future tense continues in the next class. Whatever it may be, every tense you have to prepare the very easily to understand the preparation of the examination purpose. That is the most important for the our examinations. Most prepared for the most of the examinations in our purposes. For the every tense is the very important for the examination, and every purpose, prepared every preparing lesson is the very important for the examination point of view, and as well as the future purpose also, it's a very important in the class. When you have to listen or when you have to practice yourself, that is the most important for the examination purpose. That is the very useful to the for the examination purpose. Okay, every combination of tenses is the how to use and how to be useful for the examination. It's a very important for the examination, and we will continue the practices in every session. It's also important, and that is the most important for the preparation for our examination. Then when you are understood and when you are practiced, when you are went to the examination, you have to analyze and you have to recognize the tense, and then you have to write the answers in a truthfulness. That is the most important aspect of the for the